Navratri is 9 nights or days of honoring the Shakti, power of creation within nature. And by doing so, we are honoring the power of creation within us, the Shakti within us, because we are nature ultimately. No matter how much we like to identify ourselves separate from it. Now, just for a moment, imagine this. The entire creation is the universe, is a huge orchestra with each entity playing a musical instrument. The conductor of this orchestra is not only managing this whole celestial universal song, but is also very intimately present in each of these tunes played by each of these seemingly separate entities. That is Shakti. And Shakti is so efficient that she maintains the balance of this universe, making sure that this universal song is the most beautiful that you've ever heard. And to do so, Shakti has certain rules that make these seemingly isolated tunes agreeable or disagreeable. Duality is a law of nature that we cannot fight, but we for sure can transcend it. Without the experience of this body, we cannot know what the experience of being beyond this body is like. So each musician who is part of this universal orchestra has the free will to choose whether the tune that they are playing is agreeable or disagreeable. One that fights duality or one that transcends duality. The moment Shakti expresses as this body, it's a given that energy will be spent. So it's now up to each one of us how we choose to express this Shakti, whether we use it for enhancing our life experiences or depleting ourselves of life itself. Depending on our lifestyle choices, we need to replenish ourselves with a fresh surge of energy every now and then. Food, holiday, family, Netflix, they are all what the body needs. They are all what this physical existence needs. But what about what you need? Because all these examples are actually expending energy. We are just taking our minds, our use of energy from one activity to another. But are we really resting? Of course, food is a necessity as long as it's used as fuel. In fact, digestion is one of the most energy consuming activities for the body, and hence it's recommended to fast during Navratri so that the body stays more alert and more aware, so that you can access the one that is beyond this body. What about replenishing the Shakti that enables you to play your cosmic music, your contribution to this universal orchestra? To energize the one who is beyond all the roles that you play in this physical existence. It's not just the mothers who need the break from playing the role of mothers. Fathers need a break, brothers,
sisters, uncles, aunts, male employee, female employee, male boss, female boss. Name it, we all need to get beyond our role.
Of the 9 manifestations that Shakti takes, in the first itself, she relinquishes all identity and sets on a journey to discover herself, discover her truth, and progressively through the 9 days, on the final day, she reaches her highest manifestation where she meets her truth and dissolves into herself. So Shakti worship or honoring the Shakti is a great reminder for us that we are beyond our roles that we play in this physical reality. So how does that connect to our chakras, and how is this online retreat useful in bringing us back to ourselves? That I'm going to discuss more in the next video, and I hope this sharing is useful for you. Right now, I'm like this excited kid who's seen something and experienced something brilliant and cannot wait to share it with her friends. So thank you so much for staying with me on this and hearing me out. I wait to also hear back from you on how this moves you, and if this really resonates with you, I encourage you to take this retreat, because I am sure that this has something to offer you.